Some people may have thought it was done. Oh, we're good? We're good. Good morning again, Huskies. Mrs. Hardy here.
Dr. Dippold.
Mr. White.
So we're here this morning because we wanted to just share an important message with you all and just want to make sure that you're giving us your full attention as we take a minute to talk about a few things that have been happening inside of the walls of our school.
So you guys know that middle school is a time where you try out new things, you learn how to balance the responsibility that comes with more freedom, and you learn how to navigate new and existing friendships. As you go through middle school, you learn how to keep some of these things balanced while also listening to your gut when things seem to be going in the wrong direction.
Back in September, we spoke to you about bullying and harassment and sexting presentation in PE classes. At that time, we discussed how important it is to be mindful of the words and actions you use at school because providing a safe learning environment is our #1 goal for every student. We also talked about the intention of your words may not be the way others feel the impact, and to be careful about what you say and mindful of your audience.
Recently, we have been dealing with several incidents in our school where students have been using words and symbols that are derogatory and offensive to students based on their racial and ethnic origin, which has led to an unsafe learning environment for some students. As a school and larger Falls Church City school system, that is something we will not tolerate.
One of the gestures that's been associated with some of the incidences is one that many of you may not be aware of. It's a symbol that many of us use daily, the OK symbol. It has been associated with some white power hate groups as a means for trolling for members. We know many of you have no idea about the shifting meaning of the OK symbol and have used it freely not knowing the information. Because context is everything, it's our job to ensure that you are educated and aware of the impact it is having on some members in our community, just as we do with other words, symbols, or actions that impact student safety.
Simply using a hand symbol, such as the OK symbol, does not make you a racist, nor does it mean that you're acting intentional in its use. That we want to make very clear. However, as we become better aware of the ever-changing meaning and context of words, symbols, and gestures in our society, we need to be mindful that we can cause harm, and we have to adjust our actions accordingly. Now that you know, our expectation is that you will not intentionally use or misuse this gesture for any reason within our community. Words that cause hurt, symbols that cause hurt, actions that cause hurt, they just don't have any place in our house. As your principal, it's my job to make sure that that doesn't happen and to address it accordingly. Huskies, if you feel unsafe, report it. Students, if you see or hear words that aren't okay in your gut, just like Mr. White said, report it. Friends of friends, if you see something or you feel uncomfortable with words that your friends are using, report it. You know you can always report an incident to a trusted teacher, a counselor, an administrator, or through the incident report form, which is located on the website. So please do so. Now that we know better, let's be better, okay? Together, we know that this is our house, and we know how we can treat each other to make this learning environment safe for everybody. We want everyone to feel safe. We want everyone to feel welcome because, guys, this is our house, okay? Have a great day. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. And on that note, we're officially going to say, Huskies, out.